In this video, I am now going to show you how to connect your products and enhancements. In part 1 of this video, we showed you how to add a new product into your SMPL system. When adding that product, you were able to put in a description, add an image, and also add a price for what you charge for that product. In our part 2 video, I showed you how to edit your packages and enhancements in SMPL. Here is where I will now show you how to connect both your products and enhancements to each other. If we go back to Content, Products, it will bring up the list of products that you added in part 1 of this video. Now let me show you why you built this page. If you recall, during our demonstration, I explained to you after someone fills out your contact form, they can then be sent to your services page, which shows them everything that you offer inside your company. This is the page that you were building on the back end of your system by building your products page. If you recall, when putting in the products, you were also putting in the price of what you charge for that product as well. This is why we know what to charge and how to build a quote when they are on this page and check off the services that they're interested in. Now, if you recall, we also had you put some of those products in the enhancements section as well. And here's why. Remember that when an enhancement is checked off here on an events page, that allows it to open up your enhancements question forms at the bottom of your event record. Therefore, if we tie in the product uplighting to the enhancement uplighting, now when someone is on your quote page and checks off uplighting as an interest of service, it will do two things. It will, one, check off the product, which knows how much we charge, which gives us the ability to build a quote instantly. And two, since we have now tied it to the enhancement uplighting, it will simultaneously check off uplighting under enhancements, which will then open up the uplighting question form at the bottom of your page. So let's get started on connecting your products and enhancements. If we go back to your products page, you will notice two new columns inside your system, a column that says enhancements and a column that says event type. Here's where we'll be able to connect these products to either category. If we use our example of uplighting, you can now see at the bottom with these two new buttons, you can now connect the product of uplighting to a specific event type or a package or enhancement. Let's start with package and enhancements. If I click on this button and open it up, I can now tie it directly to the uplighting enhancement. I could also tie it to a specific package. For example, if I include uplighting in my level 2 package, that will then mean whenever someone goes to my services page and checks off the level 2 package that they're interested in, it will automatically include uplighting in that package as well. You can also tie a product to a specific event. For example, let's use cigar service on this one. I would most likely only offer cigar service for maybe a wedding or a corporate event. So if someone comes to my website and fills out the contact form and chooses an event type of Sweet 16, I do not want them to see cigar service as an optional add-on for that event. Therefore, I can now go into the cigar service product, open up event types, and say, I only want this service to show up if the event type is a wedding or a corporate event. Therefore, when someone comes to my quote page and fill out the contact form, if they do not choose wedding or corporate event, they will not see cigar service as an option for them to choose. So in your final step of completing stage 1 of your training, please go through all your products and connect them to either a package, an enhancement, or a specific event type. Once this is completed, you have now finished stage 1 of your training.